Hello and welcome to week 14. We are almost done with the semester, which means that it's time for our project to be complete as well. So in week 14, you can see we have very little to do aside from work on our presentations, which I told you about last week. So those are going to be due on Wednesday. You will submit your presentation, which is just your call to action. So you can do that by going to the group folder, click on the groups, go into your group, whichever one you have, scroll down to the bottom to group discussion board, and all the way down to presentations. Click on this, upload your presentation, and then you'll need to watch and comment on 10 of your group members' presentations to provide feedback for these 5 questions. That'll be due a week from Wednesday. This way, you can use the feedback to work on your final exam, which is a reflection called the capstone, where you will reflect on the research process and answer any lingering questions. So that is what is going on here. So please provide either a link to your video, your Google Drive, or something like that. Make sure the share settings are on and open to everyone so they can see them. Provide the feedback. This part is worth 200 points. So that is a good chunk of your grade. I believe the syllabus shows that, let's see, there are a total of 1,700 points roughly in the course. So the research project, the paper itself is worth 200 points. The presentation is worth 100 points. The presentation responses are worth 200 points. And then your reflection and capstone are 200 points. So that's roughly 700 points, just a little over or under, I don't know how much that is. I can't math, but about 30% of your final grade is based, more than 30%, maybe 40, based on these 3 assignments. We've been working on them all semester, so that's why I've weighted them. I've given you a lot of comments and a lot of feedback. We go back into week 14. We also have our research project. So you need to turn in here, submit your presentation here, but also here. There are 2 places to submit your presentation, and then your project will be right here. You click on this link, it takes you to the research project folder in assignments. I have it up right here, same thing for the presentation, but again, look through all this fun stuff. Make sure you are reading your comments to your capstone, not your capstone, your call to action to your researched uh, argument paper, because that feedback is crucial if you haven't been looking at it already. So those are the things that are going on for this week. If you have questions, please contact me and I'll be happy to steer you in the right direction. Take care.